Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our conservation reserve.
Do you think we will see some rhinos?
Maybe, if we are lucky.
All of the dents in this car are made by rhinos. Enjoy.
You have to help me, Tabo. Emma, my niece, is coming. So maybe the two of you can do something together.
But she's a girl.
Hi. Over there, a baby rhino.
Why is it alone?
Wait, stop that! In the grass! A rhino, they chopped off her horn.
What a heinous crime.
Let's go!
So whoever was wearing this shoe is our prime suspect.
So if we have the shoes, then we can prove who's the real poacher.
What are you doing?
So you think that you can solve this case? Hey, this is not children's game. There's a criminal on the loose.
The animals need protection.
I've never seen anything so beautiful.
Well done, Tabo. At least now they can say they had an adventure.